The info pane of the List View window provides three user-selectable views: a labeled list of each field, a summary view, and a note card stream. Each note card contains one paragraph in a References Notes field. The list of note cards for a given reference is called the note stream. To create a note card, click the plus button at the bottom of the right pane or right-click on the note stream list. To edit, double-click on the note card. You can drop text from another application onto the note stream, and Bookends will automatically create a note card with its contents. We'll go to Microsoft Word and drag text to make a new note card. Note cards can be rearranged by drag and drop. In addition to organizing your thoughts, note cards can be useful when adding temporary citations in your word processor, particularly if you want to cite pages in the work. In this example, we'll add the @ sign, followed by the page you want to cite and a space before the note card. If you right-click on the note card and copy citation, you'll switch to your linked word processor and the citation will be inserted with the cited pages at the end. You can also copy the entire note card with the citation by right-clicking. Finally, you can embed links in the reference in other compatible applications like Devon Think. In this example, we'll embed a note card as a hypertext link in a Scrivener project. If you click on the link in Scrivener, you'll switch to the reference in Bookends that has that note card.